Do you think home cooking is difficult or boring? What if I tell you that cooking at home can be easy, fun, and even relaxing? You don't need to be a professional chef or spend hours in the kitchen. With a few smart habits, anyone can cook tasty and healthy meals at home. In this video, I will share 5 interesting home cooking tips that will save your time, improve taste, and make cooking enjoyable. Whether you are a beginner or cook every day, these tips will help you level up your home cooking. Let's get started. Tip 1. Prepare ingredients before you start cooking. Before you turn on the stove, prepare everything. Wash vegetables, cut them, and measure spices in advance. This simple habit makes cooking smooth and stress-free. When ingredients are ready, you don't rush or forget steps. Your food cooks evenly and tastes better. It also reduces mistakes like burning food or adding too much salt. Preparation gives you confidence, especially if you are new to cooking. Tip 2. Use fresh ingredients for better taste. Fresh ingredients make a big difference. Fresh vegetables, herbs, and spices add natural flavor and color to your food. Try to use seasonal ingredients. They are cheaper, healthier, and taste better. Avoid using too many packaged foods because they often contain extra salt and chemicals. Good ingredients are the secret of good cooking. Tip 3. Clean as you cook. Don't leave all the cleaning of the end or for the end. Wash utensils and wipe the counter while food is cooking. This keeps your kitchen clean and organized. After the meal, you won't feel tired or stressed by a messy kitchen. A clean kitchen makes cooking more enjoyable. Tip 4. Taste your food while cooking. Always taste your food while cooking. This helps you adjust salt and spices at the right time. Add spices slowly and taste again. This prevents over seasoning. Remember, you can add flavor, but you cannot remove it easily. Tasting helps you understand flavors and cook with confidence. Tip 5. Use leftovers in a creative way. Leftovers food doesn't need to be boring. Turn leftover rice into fried rice, vegetables into soup, and chicken into sandwiches. Use leftovers saves money and reduces food waste. It also saves time on busy day. Smart leftover cooking makes home cooking easier and more efficient. Home cooking is not about perfection, it's about small habits that make a big difference. Try these tips and enjoy cooking at home more than ever. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking tips.